Hey everyone, welcome back to Fusion Expo. Today we have an exciting video for you all, especially if you're in the market to purchase a new iPhone. We'll be comparing the iPhone 12, 13, 14 and 15 to help you decide which one to buy during the Flipkart Big Billion days and Amazon Great Indian Festival sales. So let's dive right into it. Let's straightly dive into the comparison of iPhone 12, 13 and 14, and I am not including 15 here, since we don't have offers on 15 in the Flipkart and Amazon sales. And I also had a separate video in my channel for iPhone 15. If anyone is interested, can go and watch the in-depth video. But I can say that among all iPhone series, the iPhone 15 is the best upgrade to go for. Those who have a budget to spend 80,000 can blindly go for it. When it comes to iPhone 12, the main differences that we can find when compared to the 13 and 14 are: firstly, when it comes to design, you can see the notch, which is a bit bigger in 12 when compared to others. Next, we have the camera, where camera placement is different when compared to others. But when compared to 13 and 14, you will have same design with no changes. Here you will have all with same display size, back glass. The next difference is that the iPhone 12 comes with the A14 chip processor, whereas the 13 and 14 comes with A15 chip, which is same for both. But the only difference when compared to 13 is that 14 will have an extra core added to the GPU and rest is same. The 3 series have the same camera, and the 13 and 14 will have an additional depth control with the same optical zoom and emergency SOS. The 14 will come with an additional crash detection feature. The next difference we can see is with the battery. The iPhone 12 comes with a battery capacity of 2800 mAh, which is much less when compared to 13 and 14, which is the main reason to not suggest this as we are moving to 5G. And this will drain our battery quickly, and this will become an issue. The iPhone 13 comes with a battery capacity of 3240 mAh, and the iPhone 14 comes with a battery capacity of 3279 mAh, so there is not much difference in battery between 13 and 14. Remaining things are the same. My personal suggestion is to go with the 13 series, as it has an A15 chip, good battery, good storage, and is almost similar to 14. You can also save 10,000 as the 14 can be priced around 49,999 on Flipkart, and the iPhone 13 is 39,999 in Amazon. So it's a big save when compared to 14, whereas 12 comes with 32,999 on Flipkart, but no cinematic mode, less storage, less battery, older chip. So I conclude that if battery is not a problem, 64GB storage is fine. And if you can't add 7,000 more to your budget, then you can go with iPhone 12. If you want a good battery, 128GB of storage, and some upgraded processor, then go for 13. And 14 doesn't have many upgrades compared to 13 and is almost similar. Just we can see additional features like the camera depth control, additional GPU, and crash detection. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.